Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will explain problems on analytic function. So let us take the first problem. F of z equal to z bar. So here given f of z equal to z bar, then here z equal to x plus iy. The z bar is nothing but conjugate of z, so that is equal to x minus iy. So this is in the form of u plus iv. So here u equal to x and v equal to minus y. So here by checking the CR equations, so CR equations is nothing but Cauchy-Riemann equations. So if the given problem satisfies Cauchy-Riemann equation, then the given function is analytic function. Otherwise that is not a analytic function. So here Cauchy-Riemann equations are dou u by dou x equal to dou v by dou y and dou u by dou y equal to minus dou v by dou x. So these two are Cauchy-Riemann equations. So let us finding the dou u by dou x. So dou u by dou x equal to 1 and dou v by dou x equal to 0. Next dou u by dou y equal to 0 and dou v by dou y equal to minus 1. So by substituting these values in CR equations, here dou u by dou x, so that is 1 equal to dou v by dou y, so that is equal to minus 1. So therefore dou u by dou x is not equal to dou v by dou y, and also dou u by dou y is also not equal to minus dou v by dou x. So therefore CR equations does not hold. Then the given function is not a analytic function. Given function is not analytic function. Next problem, f of z equal to z cube. F of z equal to z cube. So here z equal to x plus iy, then z cube is nothing but x plus iy whole cube. So then z cube equal to a plus b whole cube formula. So here the x cube minus iy cube plus 3x square iy minus 3xy square. So this can be written as x cube minus 3xy square, real terms one side and imaginary part. Next plus I into 3x square y minus y cube. So here u equal to x cube minus 3xy square and v equal to 3x square y minus y cube. So dou u by dou x, then that is 3x square minus 3y square. Next one dou u by dou y. So dou u by dou y, here this value is 0 minus 6xy. Next here dou v by dou x equal to 6xy. Next dou v by dou y equal to 3x square minus 3y square. So therefore CR equations, by checking the CR equations, so first equation dou u by dou x equal to dou v by dou y. So here dou u by dou x value is 3x square minus 3y square, that is equal to dou v by dou y, that is also 3x square minus 3y square. Next second equation dou u by dou y equal to minus dou v by dou x. So here dou u by dou y value minus 6xy, minus of dou v by dou x, that is here dou v by dou x value is plus 6xy. So therefore minus 6xy minus 6xy minus 6xy. So therefore by satisfying the here dou u by dou x equal to dou v by dou y and dou u by dou y equal to minus dou v by dou x. So therefore the given problem is analytic function. The given function is analytic function. Next one, f of z equal to e power z bar. So here given f of z equal to e power z bar, so that can be written as e power z bar is nothing but x minus iy. So this is e power x into e power minus iy. So then f of z equal to e power x into, so here e power minus iy can be written as cos y minus I sin y. So therefore f of z equal to e power x into cos y minus e power x into cos y minus I into e power x sin y. So here u equal to e power x cos y and v equal to minus e power x into sin y. So therefore dou u by dou x equal to e power x into cos y and dou u by dou y equal to e power x into cos y. So that is minus sin y. Next, dou v by dou x equal to minus e power x into sin y and dou v by dou y equal to minus e power x into cos y. So therefore by checking the CR equations, first condition dou u by dou x equal to dou v by dou y. So here dou u by dou x is e power x cos y and dou v by dou y. So that is minus e power x cos y. So therefore here dou u by dou x is not equal to dou v by dou y. And by checking the next condition, that to minus dou v by dou x. So here dou u by dou y is minus e power s of dou v by dou x. So minus e power x. So here minus e power x sin y minus into minus plus is also not satisfied. So therefore dou u by dou y is not equal to minus dou v by dou x. So therefore CR conditions are not satisfied for this function. So given function is not a analytic function. So these are the problems on analytic functions. Hope you are all understood this topic. Thank you for watching.